What's up guys, I'm Brent, and today I'm going to show you guys how I turned this absolutely gorgeous bowl. Check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button and share with all of your friends. Big thank you to all of my supporters on Patreon. If you want to support me on Patreon, I'll have a link to that in the description below. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And also, this is my buddy Ruben. He helped me film a lot of the end shots for this project, and they turned out awesome. Check out his channel right over here. And if you want to see some of my other videos, I will have those over here on the screen somewhere. So be sure to go check all of those out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Let's see. And today I'm going to show you how I turned this piece of elm into a bowl. Check it out. No, that doesn't make sense. It's already a bowl. No. Why is this so hot?